Weeks after releasing the report about the deadly November 2016 airplane crash in Greenwich Town, St. Andrew, the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, JCAA, faced the press to answer questions today. Before now, our attempts to get clarification on aspects of the report failed, but the JCAA Director General, Nari William Singh, contends that much of the criticisms outlined in the findings are unfounded. We have more from TVJ's Kelisha Williams.
In an article published in The Gleaner on Monday, CEO of the Caribbean Civil Aviation Center, Captain Errol Stewart, called out the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority for providing false information in its report on the investigation of the Cessna aircraft crash in November 2016. Among the concerns, claimed that the JCAA had investigated itself and provided a false picture showing parts of the ill-fated aircraft. But at a press briefing on Thursday, Director General of the JCAA, Nari William Singh, responded.
In this regard, the JCAA notes that all investigations carried out were according to international standards. The investigator in charge was appointed in accordance with the Civil Aviation Act and acted independently of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. The investigation was conducted jointly with the National Transportation Safety Board, the NTSB, of the United States.
As for the picture of the ring gear included in the 61-page crash report, which Captain Stewart claimed was not part of the Cessna aircraft which crashed in Greenwich Town.
The photo appearing in the official report is that of the engine manufacturer's, like Cummins, reference starter ring gear, not the actual part taken from the aircraft. The engine manufacturer attached the reference starter ring gear to the engine crankshaft during the investigations to determine measurements and specifications. From those measurements, it was determined by the engine manufacturer that the engine's internal timing was incorrect.
The JCAA also doubled down on the findings of the report, which indicated the flight school had provided false documents to investigators. According to Mr. William Singh, the flight school's logbook shows the Cessna aircraft had a functioning engine.
The named engine repair facility was contacted by the National Transportation Safety Board, and the engine repair facility responded that they had never worked on that engine, rendering the engine overhaul documentation fraudulent.
Captain Stewart had told The Gleaner that the school could not have provided an overhaul for an engine that was not on the aircraft. In response to why Mr. Stewart's rebuttal was not included in the 61-page report, Mr. William Singh pointed out that the concerns were not material. Moreover, he said the JCAA did not receive the rebuttal last October, as was stated by Captain Stewart, but in February this year. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.